Hello, and welcome back to Unlock English Podcast, your safe and friendly place to listen, repeat, and grow in English, slowly and naturally. I'm Alex, and I'm really happy you're here today. In this episode, we're going to learn 100 easy sentences to describe your daily routine. These sentences are short, simple, and full of useful English that you can use every day. Don't worry, we'll do it together step by step. You'll listen carefully, repeat after me, and shadow my voice to build your speaking confidence. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about your full day, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed, using clear, natural, and confident English. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice a little every day, because every small step brings big progress. All right, let's begin. Let's start with the morning, the first and most important part of your day. Morning is a special time of the day. It's quiet, peaceful, and full of small habits that shape your whole day. Let's talk about how to describe your morning in English. I'll speak slowly so you can listen, repeat, and shadow my voice. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up a little earlier when I have a busy day. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my plans. Then I get up and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully and wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel fresh and ready. Sometimes I take a quick shower. After that, I get dressed. I like to wear something clean and comfortable. Then I go to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. I usually eat bread and eggs or sometimes fruit with tea. I like to eat slowly and enjoy my food. Before I leave the house, I check my phone and my bag. I make sure I have everything I need: my keys, my notebook, and my water bottle. Then I put on my shoes, open the door, and step outside to start my new day. Now, let's listen to a short story version. You can repeat after each sentence slowly, just like shadowing practice. In the morning, I usually wake up at around 7. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel awake and fresh. Then I take a shower and put on clean clothes. I go to the kitchen and make my breakfast. I usually eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. I drink coffee or green tea depending on my mood. While eating, I listen to soft music or a slow English podcast like this one. Before leaving, I check my bag, my phone, and my schedule for the day. Then I open the door, step outside, and smile because a new day is waiting for me. Now it's your turn. Try to describe your morning in English. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you listen to music or enjoy the quiet? You can use these same sentences as your guide. Speak slowly, relax, and enjoy the process. Don't worry about mistakes. Every small sentence you say brings you one step closer to confidence.
After the morning ends, the afternoon brings a new kind of energy. It's the time when most people are busy, working, studying, or taking a short break. Let's see how you can talk about your afternoon routine in English. At around 12:30, I usually eat my lunch. I like something light, maybe rice and vegetables, or a sandwich with some juice. After lunch, I take a short break. Sometimes I listen to music, or just close my eyes for a few minutes to relax. If I'm working from home, I open my laptop again and check my emails. I reply to a few messages and plan the next part of my day. If I'm studying, I review my lessons or watch a short English video to keep learning. In the afternoon, I often go outside for a short walk. The sun feels warm and the air is soft. Walking helps me clear my mind and feel calm again. Sometimes I meet a friend for tea or coffee. We talk about our day, laugh a little, and share stories. When I come back home, I usually drink some water and rest for a few minutes. Then, I continue with my small tasks, maybe cleaning my room or organizing my desk. Here's a short example story you can practice with. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. After lunch, I take a short break. I check my phone, talk to my family, or listen to a podcast. Then I start working again. In the afternoon, I often go for a walk or visit a friend. It helps me feel happy and refreshed. Now, let's practice together. Repeat slowly after me. I usually eat lunch at 1 o'clock. After lunch, I take a short break. Sometimes I go for a walk. I like to spend some time with my friends. These small, simple sentences are powerful. They help you describe your daily life naturally, just like native speakers do. Remember, learning English is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking clearly, confidently, and with calm energy. So next time you think about your afternoon, say it in English. Describe what you do, how you feel, and what makes your afternoon special. When the evening comes, the day starts to slow down. It's the time to relax, reflect, and prepare for a peaceful night. After finishing my work or study, I like to take a short walk outside. The air feels cooler and the streets are quiet. Sometimes I just stand on my balcony, look at the sunset, and take a deep breath. It helps me feel thankful for the day. When I come back home, I change into comfortable clothes. I usually spend a few minutes with my family. We talk about our day, share stories, and sometimes laugh together. Then I have my dinner. I try to eat something light, maybe soup or rice, because it helps me sleep better. After dinner, I clean the table and wash the dishes. Then, I like to spend some quiet time alone. Sometimes, I read a short story or listen to soft music. On some days, I watch a simple English video to keep learning, slowly, without stress. Before going to bed, I prepare for the next day. I check my to-do list, set my alarm, and arrange my clothes for the morning. These small habits make my life easier and help me stay organized. Finally, I brush my teeth, turn off the lights, and lie down in bed. I take a deep breath and say to myself, "You did your best today. Be proud and rest well." Let's practice together. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. I have dinner with my family. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I read a book or listen to music. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I feel calm and ready for a new day. Each sentence is simple, but when you use them every day, your English becomes stronger and more natural. Remember, learning English is not about speed. It's about connection, the small, warm sentences that help you express yourself clearly and confidently. So keep listening, keep repeating, and keep smiling while you speak. And before you sleep tonight, say one sentence in English about your day. That one small habit can change your English forever.